Up YouTube, this is CBG Mad Mobile coming at you yet another Mad Mobile video on this Saturday. And today, as you see on the screen, I have a bunch of I have 1.3 million coins. And I just got a notification. Okay, quick give me notifications. Okay, look. Okay, as you screen on you now, I have 1.3 million coins, man. And I'm gonna use them coins to buy some Pro Bowl packs. I know I did a Pro Bowl pack opening the other day. I've opened 30 of each. I ain't doing that many packs today because I'm not wasting my coins because I don't know when I'll be able to get any more coins. If I run out of coins now, I'm not be able to post any Mad Mobile videos for you guys. So I set a goal for myself. I'm not gonna go under 1.1 million. So without further ado, before I begin, I want to say I'm very sorry, EWBTV. We had some technical difficulties regarding the giveaway prize coin situation. He wanted the giveaway. He ain't on my server, so we worked out a deal. So, EWB, you know what I mean, man. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You are my biggest supporters on YouTube, so thank you so much, man. So, we're gonna start off with a freaking NFC pack. And I have six of these elite Pro Bowl players now. So, we pull 4 more, which is highly undoubtedly in 200,000 coins. I will do a hero pack for y'all guys, because I've been waiting, because you guarantee a 98 overall player, if I'm not mistaken. In the first NFC pack of the day, oh my God, boy, 92 overall Pro Bowl edition, Michael Bennett on the very first pack of this afternoon. This is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Bennett on the first Pro Bowl pack. Something told CBG to open these packs up. Oh my God. Thank you, EA. It is Michael Bennett, 79 speed, 83 acceleration, 87 pursuit, 89 strength, 88 awareness, 88 hit power, 79 agility, 90 tackle, and 92 power moves. This is awesome. Thank you so much, man. Pro Bowl edition, Michael Bennett. So I only need 3 more, then I could do the hero set, and hopefully we're gonna. I'm getting luck at these NFC packs, so I'm gonna keep doing them, man. So we'll pull 1. Let's see how many we can get. Boy, hit 1.1 million coins, man. So you might be asking, CBG, how do you get so many coins, man? I buy them. Nah, I work hard for my coins, man. But when I can't play the game, I just buy them. Don't ask me where I buy them from. Well, yeah, I buy them from Ducky's website, man. I just promote him. We bought another elite, back-to-back elites, 89 overall offensive tackle, Tyreem Smith from the Dallas Cowboys. So the first pack of the day, we opened up, we pulled a freaking, I forgot who we pulled already, but it was a 92 overall something. Then we pulled a freaking 89 overall edition, Tyreem Smith. He has 71 speed, 80 acceleration, 89 run block, 84 strength, 87 awareness, 86 in block, 76 agility, and 90 run block. Man, this is awesome. And we also bought DeMarcus Randall in the pack as well. So I'm going to keep this thing going. I'm going to be opening up some NFC packs. I have a hint, man. I want to know who y'all pulling for in tomorrow's Pro Bowl. Try to get it out, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm pulling for the NFC. I already told y'all the other day in the other Pro Bowl video I did. I'm pulling for the AFC to win. No, not the AFC. The NFC to win because I'm a New Orleans Saints fan and a Cowboy. I'm certainly a Cowboys fan because of Dak and Ezekiel Elliott. But I'm really a Saints fan. Yeah, if that makes any sense to y'all guys. So let's open up the first AFC Pro Bowl pack of the afternoon. Let's see what we're gonna pull. Boy, 84 overall middle linebacker Bobby Wagner, a collectible, and some other crap. So we got 1,236,000 coins to work with. So come on, baby. Let's open up some packs and open up some NFC packs and continue the luck. We need 3 more Pro Bowl elites to do the hero set, and I'm hoping to get them babies for y'all guys, man. So this Bill Law, we get a 75 overall middle linebacker and an 83 overall kicker, Matt Bryant, and an NFC pack. I like to open up these, my perseverance, my perspective of the whole Pro Bowl promo is that it's freaking awesome. I think I haven't been making much of coins of them because I've been pulling on these elites, just haven't sold them. And boy, another collectible and an Alice Smith and a Dennis Pita. That's the first time I've ever seen that, dude. Look at that from the Baltimore Ravens. I never heard of that guy in my life. 79 speed, 80 accelerate. That's a pretty cool card. So let's keep opening packs. We're almost to 1.1 mil. I'm not trying to make any long, extravagant video today, man. Because I'm sorry, you can't see me in the face cam. Now you can see me in the face cam, man. It makes a difference, man. I'm way over here. Now I'm way over here. It does not make any sense. Let's open up this NFC Pro Bowl 17 pack. Ladies and gentlemen, what's up, boys and girls? It's boy another freaking elite. Oh boy, 80 overall defense and Derek Wolf. And then Randall Cunningham, 1985 rookie collectible. It probably don't go for much because Randall Cunningham is one of the older legends. So we have enough coins for 1 more pack. So I don't know. AFC, NFC. AFC, and a Z. Zeke, I don't know what. Let's see, let's go for Zeke, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we got one more pack we can open tonight. We can open this pack up and we're going to freaking pull something absolutely lit. And I'm sorry for doing two Pro Bowl pack openings in 3 days, but this pack opening has been lit. Oh boy, 91 over guard, Brandon Sheriff. Oh my god. CBG Madden will pull freaking 2 Pro Bowl players and back to back in one video. Oh, this is freaking awesome. We also pull a Marvin Mathis. We pull a Brandon Sheriff. That's freaking. I'm going for another one. We gotta continue. We gotta continue this luck. Come on. Give me my pack. Give me my pack. And we gonna open up what we pull. I don't know what we gonna pull. What we pull another elite. Let's pull Zeke, baby. We pull Zeke. I'm going crazy. If we pull Ezekiel Elliott, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit everything. I'm gonna quit YouTube. And just kidding. And we pull a freaking. Who we gonna pull? We pull a 77 overall. And I think our luck right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna go crazy. If it was just up to me, I would spend every coin I damn have open these packs and hunt for Zeke. But yeah, trying to preserve coins, and I don't want to go bankrupt again. It's not fun being bankrupt. And man, because you need coins to do anything, man. Upgrade your team and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got right now on my bench. I got a freaking bunch of people on my bench right now. I'm gonna go show y'all that. Let's go to my team. Let's go to view items and go to bench players. I see actually screen. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I got 9 rows of elite players. You might be seeing CBG, man, well, why don't you sell them, man? You have over like 2 million coins. I'm trying to collect them. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, I need one more. I need one more before I do the hero set. Should I open some more packs? Nah, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need one more before I get a hero. Oh, no, I'm not going to get carried away. I better start this video right now before I spend every damn coin I have trying to pull anybody. So look, I got a bunch of players. I just want to let y'all know that. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. If you did not like this video, please tell me you didn't like it. I don't care. I just want y'all's damn feedback, ladies and gentlemen. So if you like the video, please tell me you like it. You don't like it, tell me you like it. You don't know what your standpoint is on the video, tell me that. I don't care. I don't care, man. CBG, I could take it like a man, baby. So bye. Take care. And you're never gonna have the same pack luck as I have right now. So bye.